In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PowerPoint not responding on Windows 10. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the solution because I know how frustrating it can be when PowerPoint freezes right in the middle of an important presentation or when you're trying to finish a work project. Don't worry, we've got this covered. First, let's explore a few simple ways to start troubleshooting. The first step you should take is to check if PowerPoint is just temporarily unresponsive. Sometimes it may seem like it's not working, but it's simply taking a moment to catch up. To check this, hover your mouse over the PowerPoint icon on the taskbar. If it's still showing that it's loading, give it a minute or two. If it remains unresponsive after a reasonable wait, let's move on to the next steps. Now, the first thing we want to try is to restart the application. Close PowerPoint entirely by right-clicking on its icon in the taskbar and choosing Close Window. If it's unresponsive and won't close, press Ctrl-Shift-S to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is up, look for Microsoft PowerPoint, select it, and click on End Task. This will essentially force close PowerPoint. Just remember, if you didn't save your work, you might lose unsaved changes. Next, let's restart your computer. This might seem a bit cliché, but rebooting can solve a myriad of issues, especially software-related ones. Once your computer is back on, open PowerPoint again to see if it's responding correctly this time. If you're still facing issues, it might be time to check for updates. Outdated software can lead to all sorts of glitches, so go ahead and click on File in PowerPoint, then select Account. Here, you'll see an option that says Update Options. Click that and choose Update Now. This will ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. If PowerPoint is still not cooperating after the update, we can look into repairing the Office installation. Let's do that together. First, head to the Control Panel. You can search for it in the Start menu. Once you're there, click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Look for Microsoft Office in the list, select it, and then click on Change at the top. You will see two options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. I recommend starting with the Quick Repair option, as it takes less time and doesn't require an internet connection. If that doesn't work, you can try the Online Repair, which is more thorough. If none of these methods have resolved your issue, we might need to check your add-ins. Sometimes, faulty add-ins can cause PowerPoint to become unresponsive. Open PowerPoint in safe mode by holding the Control key while launching it. If it works perfectly in safe mode, head to File, then Options, and navigate to Add-ins. Here, you can disable any add-ins that might be causing the trouble. Finally, if you're still stuck, it may be a good idea to uninstall and then reinstall Microsoft Office altogether. Sometimes a fresh installation can do wonders. So, there you have it. A few tried-and-true methods to fix PowerPoint not responding on Windows 10. I hope one of these solutions helps you get back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe